Picture this, it's late at night and you're standing outside your own house. Your keys? Nowhere in sight. You've turned your pockets inside out, retraced your steps in your mind, and even resorted to a flashlight search in the shrubbery. But alas, the keys remain elusive, as unattainable as a dream. The cold night air sends a shiver down your spine, a cruel reminder of the warmth and comfort that's just a locked door away. The frustration begins to build, a crescendo of annoyance and despair. You're locked out, and the realization hits harder than the chilly gust of wind whipping around you. The lock, an unassuming piece of metal, has suddenly become an insurmountable barrier between you and the sanctuary of your home. It's not just about the inconvenience, although that's certainly a major part. It's the disruption, the break in routine that throws your entire night off balance. It's the feeling of helplessness, the sinking sensation in your gut as you struggle to figure out your next move. Perhaps you're thinking about that tiny window on the side of the house, the one you keep meaning to fix because it jams occasionally. Or maybe you're contemplating a call to a friend or a family member, someone who could offer a couch for the night. But these are temporary solutions, band-aids for a problem that requires a more permanent fix. The worst part? This could happen to anyone, anywhere. It could be a car lockout in the middle of a downpour, a jammed office door on the day of a big presentation, or a stubborn lock at home that refuses to budge. Lock problems are universal, and they come with a unique blend of frustration and inconvenience that's as hard to shake off as the chill of the night air. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? But what if there was a solution that could turn this nightmare around in a matter of minutes? Let's introduce you to the hero of our story, the National Locksmith Directory. This isn't just a list of names and numbers. No, it's a nationwide network of reliable professionals, a key to peace of mind that's always at your fingertips. Imagine, you're stuck in a lockout situation. You're flustered, panicked, and time is ticking away. You need help, and you need it fast. That's where our directory comes in. With coverage spanning the breadth of the USA, you're never too far from a qualified locksmith who can swoop in and save the day. But you might be thinking, how can I trust these locksmiths? Well, we've got you covered there as well. Every locksmith listed in our directory is a verified professional. They're not just folks with a set of lockpicks. These are skilled technicians, fully insured, who you can trust to handle your lock and security problems swiftly and efficiently. And the National Locksmith Directory isn't just for emergencies. Oh no, it's much more than that. It's a comprehensive resource offering a full range of services. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn lock on your front door, need a key fob programmed for your car, or are considering a complete security upgrade for your home or office, we've got a locksmith for that. Our directory also recognizes that lock problems aren't confined to the 9 to 5. That's why many of our locksmiths offer round-the-clock emergency services. So whether it's the crack of dawn or the dead of night, you can rest assured knowing help is just a phone call away. And the best part? Finding a locksmith near you has never been easier. Our user-friendly directory allows you to locate a local locksmith in seconds. No more frantic online searches or scrolling through endless reviews. Just straightforward, quick, and efficient service when you need it most. That's right, the National Locksmith Directory is your trusted resource for finding a qualified locksmith anywhere in the USA. So the next time you're locked out, don't panic. Just remember, your key to peace of mind is just a click away. Imagine having a list of verified professionals at your fingertips, ready to solve your lock and security problems quickly and efficiently. That's the power of the National Locksmith Directory. With our nationwide network, you can find a local locksmith no matter where you are in the USA. And we're not just talking about any locksmith. Our directory lists only qualified, insured professionals that you can trust. But the convenience doesn't stop there. The National Locksmith Directory offers a full range of services. Whether you're dealing with an emergency lockout, need key fob programming, or are considering security upgrades, we've got you covered. We understand that lock and security issues don't keep regular office hours. That's why many of the locksmiths in our directory offer round-the-clock, 24/7 support to handle those unexpected situations that can throw a wrench into your day. And we've made finding the right locksmith a breeze. Our user-friendly directory allows you to find a locksmith near you in just a few seconds. No more scrolling through endless online listings or trying to decipher which locksmiths are reputable. We've done the legwork for you, compiling a comprehensive list of reliable professionals right at your fingertips. So next time you're standing in the rain, locked out of your car, or fumbling with a stubborn lock on your front door, remember the National Locksmith Directory. We're here to connect you with the professionals who can get you back inside and on with your day, quickly and efficiently. No more wasting time on endless online searches. The right locksmith is just a click away. So why wait? Access the National Locksmith Directory today and unlock the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in good hands. Think about the relief the moment your door swings open and you're back in the comfort of your home. You're no longer a prisoner of a misplaced key or a jammed lock. You've escaped the cold, the rain, or the unsettling darkness. All thanks to the swift and skilled intervention of a professional locksmith. Imagine the satisfaction, knowing that you didn't waste precious hours trying to solve the problem yourself, or waiting for an unverified stranger to show up. Instead, you found a qualified locksmith in a matter of seconds, right from the National Locksmith Directory. A directory that takes the guesswork out of your search, connecting you with verified professionals who are insured and ready to help. Picture the peace of mind, knowing that no matter where you are in the United States, you're never too far from a locksmith who can reach you promptly. Whether your need arises in the hustle and bustle of a big city or the tranquility of a small town, you've got a reliable network at your fingertips. Envision the assurance of having a full range of locksmith services available to you, not just for those emergency lockouts, but also for your key fob programming needs, security upgrades, and more. You're not just solving a problem, you're enhancing your security and convenience. And let's not forget the round-the-clock support. The locksmithing world doesn't clock out at 5. Many of the professionals listed in our directory offer 24/7 services, ready to come to your aid in those unexpected situations that don't respect business hours. In this picture of relief, you're not just a homeowner regaining access to your home or a driver back on the road. You're a person who has swiftly navigated a stressful situation with the help of a trusted resource. And that's the true power of the National Locksmith Directory. It's not just about unlocking doors, it's about unlocking peace of mind, convenience, and security. With the National Locksmith Directory, you're never alone in your lockout woes. We're not just about getting you out of a fix, we're about giving you peace of mind. Just imagine, no more frantic searches for locksmith near me when you're locked out in the dead of night. No more worrying over the trustworthiness of the locksmith who shows up at your door. The National Locksmith Directory takes the guesswork out of the equation. We offer a nationwide network of verified professionals, each one qualified, insured, and ready to handle your lock and security problems. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn door lock, a lost key, or a key fob that needs programming, our directory has you covered. But we don't stop at just solving your immediate issue. Our mission is to ensure your peace of mind, long after the locksmith has left. We know that a reliable and efficient locksmith service isn't just about addressing the here and now. It's about knowing that should you face such a situation again, you're never alone. You've got a trusted resource ready to connect you with a professional who can help. Our user-friendly directory allows you to find a local locksmith in seconds, no matter where you are in the United States. And with many offering 24/7 support, you can rest easy knowing that help is always just a call or click away. The National Locksmith Directory isn't just a service, it's a commitment to your safety, your security, and your peace of mind. We understand how important it is to feel secure in your own home or vehicle, and that's why we strive to ensure the locksmiths listed in our directory are nothing but the best. So the next time you're locked out, remember, don't panic. You've got the National Locksmith Directory on your side. We're more than just a directory, we're your key to peace of mind. The National Locksmith Directory, your key to security and peace of mind. So why wait for a lockout to ruin your day? The solution to your lock and security problems is just a click or call away. The National Locksmith Directory, your trusted resource, is here to save the day. We've built a nationwide network of verified professionals ready to step in when you need them the most. Whether you're stuck outside your car in the pouring rain or standing helplessly before a jammed office door, our locksmiths are ready to assist. They're equipped to handle a full range of services, from emergency lockouts to key fob programming and security upgrades. And the best part, you don't have to worry about searching online or asking around. Our user-friendly directory puts the right locksmith at your fingertips. We've taken the hassle out of finding a reliable locksmith so you can get back to your day without missing a beat. And remember, many of our locksmiths offer emergency services round the clock. So when that unexpected lockout happens at the most inconvenient time, you can breathe easy knowing help is on its way. With the National Locksmith Directory, you're never left out in the cold. So don't let a lockout throw a wrench in your plans. Connect with a locksmith near you in just seconds. All you need to do is visit our website at invalid URL Locksmith Los Angeles, California on locksmithsinlosangelescalifornia.com or dial our number 844-216-4820. It's that simple. Why spend another minute worrying about lost keys or jammed doors? When you have the National Locksmith Directory in your corner, you have the key to peace of mind. So take the first step towards securing your day. Reach out to our nationwide network of professionals and experience the relief of knowing you're covered, no matter what lock troubles you face. Find your locksmith now. Don't get locked out. Visit us today. Remember, when it comes to locks, we've got you covered. With the National Locksmith Directory, you're never more than a few clicks away from a qualified, insured, and reliable locksmith ready to solve your lock and security problems. Whether it's the middle of the night or the break of dawn, whether you're stuck in the rain or under the scorching sun, we're here to ensure you're never locked out of your day. We've curated a nationwide network of professionals so you can find a local locksmith no matter your location. From emergency lockouts to key fob programming and security upgrades, our locksmiths offer a full range of services. And the best part? Many of them are available around the clock for those unexpected situations that just can't wait. Our user-friendly directory makes it easy for you to find a locksmith near you in seconds. Say goodbye to endless online searching and hello to immediate solutions. The National Locksmith Directory puts the right locksmith right at your fingertips. Have you ever felt the panic of losing your keys or the frustration of a jammed door? With the National Locksmith Directory, such worries will become a thing of the past. We're dedicated to giving you peace of mind when it comes to your locks and security. After all, feeling safe and secure is something we all deserve. So the next time you find yourself locked out, remember the National Locksmith Directory. We're here to unlock your day and keep your life moving smoothly. Because let's face it, nobody has time for a lockout. The National Locksmith Directory, your trusted locksmith resource. We're here when you need us. Just a quick visit to our website or a simple phone call, and you'll have a qualified locksmith on their way to you. So remember us, save our number, bookmark our website. We're your key to security and peace of mind. Remember, when you're locked out, don't panic. The National Locksmith Directory, your trusted locksmith resource. We're here when you need us.